What's up, my name is Technobo here for Troubleshoot and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be going through an issue that's happening to some people with the new Season 8 of Apex Legends. If you're playing the game and for some reason, objects, textures, parts of the map and anything like that are appearing as black, it can of course be a very distracting thing if you're playing the game competitively, and it could just be very annoying in general if you don't know where you're going. So how exactly do we fix this? Well, it's actually incredibly simple. I'll be showing you on both Steam and Origin versions of the game. The first, most common solution that seems to work for 90% of the people that have this issue, of course, is verifying your game files to make sure that everything's working properly. If you have it installed on Steam, simply open up Steam, then locate Apex Legends, right-click, Properties, then on the Local Files section, simply click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will run through all of the game files and see if anything's missing. If something is missing, it'll simply be fixed nice and easily. 1, 2, or 50 or so files may actually be downloaded, which could be megabytes to gigabytes in size, depending on how many are corrupt or simply missing from your game files. That is how to do it on Steam, and to do it in Origin, you simply have to first of all launch it up. Then head across to your game library and locate Apex Legends. I don't have it installed, so I'll filter by installed games and show you with one of these. Simply right-click Apex Legends and then click Repair. This will run through all of the files on the disk and make sure that if any are missing or corrupt, they'll be re-downloaded and fixed. It's super simple. Then, if for some reason you're still having issues, there are a couple more fixes that we can attempt. First of all, make sure that Windows and your graphics drivers are up to date. Hit Start, type in Update, check for updates, and then simply click Check for Updates when Windows Update opens up. As for your graphics driver, simply head across to NVIDIA or AMD's website to download the most up-to-date software. Of course, you can see I have an optional update here, so I'll just click Download and Install and wait for it to finish. But because I'm recording, I'll do this later. Then, if for some reason you're still getting issues, you can try lowering the in-game resolution and of course optimizing your in-game settings to better match your hardware setup, or simply just dropping them lower to see if that'll fix the issue. Most of the time, model quality and texture settings will have an effect on this sort of glitch. Then of course, if you're on a laptop or something with an integrated graphics card, it may be running on the completely wrong graphics card. Simply hit Start, type in GPU, then open up Graphics Settings. When this window opens, down here under Graphics Performance Preference, select Desktop from the dropdown, click Browse, and navigate across to where the game is installed. For me, it's on eGames, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Apex Legends, and then simply double-click on r5apex.exe to add it to this list. After doing that, click Options, and then simply choose High Performance, then Save. This will make sure that it runs on your high-performance dedicated graphics card rather than the integrated graphics card built into your CPU if you happen to have one. Most of the time, this will have an effect on laptop GPUs, but if you're on a desktop, it could still help somewhat. And of course, the final last solution that you could possibly try is actually reinstalling the game completely by uninstalling it and deleting it, and possibly clearing your config in any other way possible. Then, after re-downloading the game, you'll still have all of your progress, skins, and the rest, but all of the game files should be completely reset, meaning that if anything bad happened to the files on your disk that scanning and repairing didn't fix, this should definitely fix it. And of course, because it's available on multiple platforms, if you haven't already switched to Steam, you can do this now, and if you're playing on Steam, yet you're comfortable playing on the Origin version, you can do that as well. But anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully you found something useful in it. My name's been Technobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!